11.
May practice po ba sa this Saturday? Kung meron, what time and time po? Paano ko rin kayo makikilala kasi I wanted to meet you.
Aww,
Ano
so
to?
sweet. I wanted to meet you.
Admin.
Ikaw nagsulat niya, di
Meet
ba?
you, admin.
Saan na to?
Walang silang practice ng Saturday?
This coming Saturday. I don't know.
Wala.
You're sure?
Wala. Bakit naman meron?
Kasi may long time cup.
Makilang din, diba?
September.
Oo nga.
September na next week. I don't know. I'm gonna ask my friend and her friend and post the reply, okay? So, this is the 13th ask.
Honey,
I know, 12, 13. Don't expect,
Mayeng.
don't expect Mayeng. Is Mark Brinkett part of the team already? Yes, he is. He has been, kaya lang he has to go back to Germany.
Para halayan si Patrick. Joke lang.
No, he has to go back to Germany to graduate and he hasn't come back since. Guwapo, no?
Lapit na. Sabi ni Captain Perversi, a.k.a.
Cheska.
Ano ko magtanong to? Sino ang crush ko?
Ay, te, kung sasagutin namin yan, di na kami matatapos. Yan na lang dapat sinagot namin the whole time. Kung isa-isayin namin lahat ng crush mo.
Jason Sabio,
Mita, James, Angel,
Nate,
Anton, lahat. Si Al-Habib. Yes.
Jerry, lahat na. Yun na.
Okay, ako na ba? This is 13 yun, no?
14.
You tally. I'm stupid at math. Okay, from its collection, what inspired you admins to come together and start this awesome vlog? Because we're awesome as well. Joke lang. No, matagal na kami magkakilala. Tuwa na kami.
Ulit-ulit eh.
Oo. Magkakilala na kami since high school. Magkaklase kami ng 3rd year, 4th year. Tapos sobrang weird niya. Akala namin para sa taka kasi.
Oh my God!
Oo, para sa taka. Kasi yung tawa niya high pitch sabay may hampa. Tapos, nung college, may crush ako kay Phil. Tapos biglang wala akong makasama sa UMAC. So I asked her if she wanted to come. Tapos sobrang patay na patay pa siya kay Phil.
Life-changing yun ah.
Life-changing. Tapos January 24 namin sila ni Nish. Tapos nung 25, we started this. Pero in 7 months na kami. Yes. Your turn. Someone texted me.
Ay.
Hindi tama, 14th pa lang yan.
Ha? Tama.
Ay, nakukuha mo.
Pakita mo. Nakikita niyo ba? Hindi.
Gata, nakalagay lang sa kanya. Smiley. Isang matinding smiley. Sige, ikaw ulit dahil walang kwenta yung mga nabubulot.
Itatali yun ah.
Yeah. We have 5 more questions.
Sino kayo?
Kami si Jadmin at si Yasmin. Our real name starts with J and Y. And sige, magsabi ka naman ng about you para make idea sila. Describe yourself.
Hala, mata mo!
Sorry! Oh my gosh, nakita ba?
Oo!
Anyway, sobrang nakita.
Hindi naman, nakayuko ka kasi. Ba't ka kasi yuko ng yuko?
Kasi madami akong fat.
Anyway, yun na, hindi na natin sasabihin, di ba?
Hindi, mag-describe ka lang ng sarili mo.
Bakit? Hindi ka nga nag-describe eh.
Para may idea sila.
Ako nag-start ng letter Y yung name ko, pero hindi siya pronounced as Y. Basta.
So, mahirap siyang hanapin.
Mahirap akong hanapin, swear.
And ako din, J. Oo, J. Yun.
Pero siya yung pinakamadaling hanapin.
Actually, ako nga palagi nanahanap eh. Nagugulat ako. Tapos tinatrack daw niya lang siya from me. Next. Kung URL ko. ASDFGHJKLO, love. What did you do para maging friends with the asphalt?